20 वर्सांचे आमदारकेच्या काळात माविन गुदिन्होन कुट्टाळी मतदारसंघात केल्ल्या कामाची वळेरी दिवची भाजपाची आदली आमदार आणि आताची आम आदमी पार्टीची वांगडी एलिना साल्ढानान आव्हान दिलां. ताचो कुट्टाळीचेर इतलो शेक आसा जाल्यार तो दाबोळे कित्याक गेलो? एलिनाचो माविनाक प्रश्न.
एलिना आणि माविन दोगांय देगे कुशीकच्या मतदारसंघातली भाजपाची फुडारी, पूण आता 36चो आंकडो जाला. वर्सभर माविन एलिनाचेर निष्क्रियतायेचे आरोप करत आयला. मतदारसंघाचे उदरगती खातीर तिणें कितेंच केल्लें ना अशें माविनाचें म्हणणें. ताका जाप दितना एलिनान ताका प्रस्न विचारला, तुवें कुट्टाळे खातीर कितें केलां तें आदी सांग.
Yes, I think I would like to state that Mauvin Gudinho has the habit of hallucinating. Okay? He doesn't know what he talks. First and foremost, he should remember that he lost as the MLA of Kortaling constituency in 2002. Okay? After which, he ran away to Daboli. Okay? If he has such a strong hold on the constituency, he should have remained there. Today, he should face the ground reality. He is not wanted. People hate him. I'm sorry to make this statement. Because he was their MLA for 20 years. Does he have a single structure to show that he did it for the benefit of the people who were electing him and elected him for 5 terms? There is nothing. I challenged him some time back. He could not meet my challenge. He had nothing to show that he has done for the people of Kortaling constituency. So the question of him trying to help me to win does not arise.
भाजपाची आदली आमदार एलिनान 16वेर आमदारकेचो राजीनामो दिलो आणि रोखडीच आम आदमी पार्टीत गेली. भाजपाचो प्रदेशाध्यक्ष सदानंद शेट टानावडेन तिका टिकेटी विशीं सांगले. तेन्नाच तिणें भाजपा सोडपाचो निर्णय घेतलो.
By nature, I am a loyalist. But it was very difficult for me to see the way things were going wrong for the people of the state and for the state environment. In fact, just about less than a month ago, about 26 to 28 supporters went to meet the BJP committee higher-ups, asking them to issue the ticket as quickly as possible. And they did this without telling me. And then, because they insisted, I said, okay, do as you please. But when they went there, Sri Tanavade spoke to them. And at the start, this is what I was told. At the start, he praised me as a very honest person, a clean person, a hard-working person. Okay? But then he said, we cannot accept her talking against the government with reference to the 3 linear projects. I would like to state that I have been elected by the people to work for their welfare. And definitely, one of the 3 projects that comes right through my constituency, the doubling of the South-Western Railway, is going to be totally disastrous for the people of my state. And if I do not stand by the people who have elected me, then I will be definitely failing in my duty and my responsibility. And therefore, I spoke what I had to say, that this project is disastrous. This project is going to destroy the homes of the people, hundreds of homes. This project is going to destroy the environment. This project is going to pollute the air, pollute the water bodies, leading to all kinds of maladies.
आपूण आम आदमी पार्टीत वता हे एलिनान काल जाहीर केले. ताचे आदी ती दिल्लीचो आपाचो मुख्यमंत्री आणि आपाचो अध्यक्ष अरविंद केजरीवालाक मेळून आयिल्ली.
I think this is a very, very important day for me because I have taken a major step and decided that I had to leave the BJP for various reasons and join Aam Aadmi Party because I believe that this party is a party of the common man. It is sad for me to make this statement, but yes, BJP is no longer the party that belonged to late Manoharji Parrikar, who was the chief minister then. It is no longer the party that late Matani Saldana joined with a lot of hope for the state of Goa and the people of Goa. In fact, recent happenings in the state had forced me to take a stand that was opposing to the government. And when I say this, I'm talking about the 3 linear projects. In fact, I made it a point to take the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa onto the tracks to make him understand what will happen if the track, the Southwestern Railway track, is doubled. And very evidently, he saw where the second track will end, which is within the compound walls of the houses along the entire alignment. I firmly believe that such projects cannot be termed as development because these projects are anti-people. If I am with the people, then I cannot be with the BJP anymore. And therefore, after a deep thought, I decided to join Aam Aadmi Party, the party of the common man, the party which I believe puts the common man in the first position whenever it decides to take up any project.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान इर्शाद शेख.